Hey everybody, it's Lee with Silver Dollar Adventures. We are going to open up some lights that we got from Suparee. It is going to be their 7-inch lights, 16,000 lumen. We're going to unveil them. Later on, we will show you what they look like on our Jeep. Alright, so let's see what we get. We get a sticker. We get some mounting hardware. Their lights, and we get another light with the mounting hardware also. This light right here, you can there's two different ways you can hook it up. You can hook it up to a switch where the outside comes on and another switch where the inside comes on. We are actually going to hook it up where all of it will come on at one time, and we'll show y'all how we do that. Give y'all a review on how bright they are. So here's the installation of the lights. I'm gonna kind of cheat a little bit. We already have lights on the front, so the wiring has already been ran. I am just gonna disconnect these and hook the wiring up to these new lights. So I was gonna use a different bracket for them, but I figured out that I could actually just turn this bracket that it comes with sideways and put the bolt on it. And so now it's gonna be hooked up here. I'm still gonna remove this light though. Okay, now let's do the other side. In this installation, I am going to be tying the red and the yellow wires together. All right, we're tightening up the last bolt right before dark, and we'll go out in a little bit and test them out. Well, that concludes our first video of the lights, the installation, and our first light test. So far, I do like the brightness of them. We're going to run them for a little bit, and we will give y'all another update on how they perform.